work on different systems. And if we are going to classify number system, it is classified into two types. One is the non-positional number system, and the other one is positional number system.
सब कुछ है, जितनी रिकॉर्डिंग्स हुई हैं थोड़ी सी बड़ा हुआ है, शट डाउन करके ऑन करता हूँ.
In non-positional number system, we used to count the numbers using our fingers, the pebbles, stones, and in that particular system, and sticks. So sticks were used to count. Suppose we are going to in this particular system, suppose we are going to count one, then one stick was used, and to count one stick was used for counting one. Two sticks were used to count two, and in this way to count three sticks. So three different sticks were used to count three, and in the same way to count four we use four sticks in non-positional system. And it was used in the ancient times. After that we have the positional number system, and the most frequently used positional number system is decimal number system, and we are going to use this number system in our daily life. And other important number systems are in positional. In positional we have in positional number system, the most important is the decimal number system, and other is the we are going to use binary number system. We have octal number and hexadecimal. These are the most commonly used decimal number systems. You can say that positional number system. Okay. Now what is decimal number system? Decimal number system decimal number system has 10 digits, and it has number one, it has 10 digits, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 10 digits. So the base of decimal number system is 10. It has base 10. And the question arises that what is base? Actually, base is the total number of digits in a particular number system. Now, the important aspect that in decimal number system, suppose if we have three numbers, we have 731, and we have 371, and suppose we have 107. In all these numbers, the value of 7 in positional, each digit will have a unique value, and that depends on the value of the digit, position of the digit, and the base. Suppose in this particular number system, the value of 7 would be 700, or 7 into 100 we can say, or we can write into 7 into 10 to the power 2. In the same way, in this number system, the value of 7 would be 70, or 7 into 10, or we can write as 7 into 10 to the power 1. In the same way, 107 can be written as 7, or 7 into 10 to the power 7 into 1, or 7 into 10 to the power 0. So in this way decimal number systems are represented. And the next number system is binary number. Binary number. In binary it has two digits 0 and 1. It has two digits 0 and 1, and the position and its base is, because it has two digits, so its base is 2, and the weightage of each digit would be, we can write it as, if you are going to write the weightage of each digit from the right, then the weightage of the least significant digit would be 2 to the power 0 and 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4, and dot dot up to n. In this way, binary system, the weightage of binary system is followed in this way. So previously, if you are going to see the weightage of decimal number system, it would be 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, 10 to the power 2, and the same way you can follow this. So binary number system has two digits, that is 0 and 1. And now the third number system is octal number. The third number is octal number. It has 8 digits, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So since it has 8 digits, its base is 8. Number of digits is since number of digits is 8. Now the positional weightage of each digit in this system would be 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 2, 8 to the power 3, to the power 4, and then dot dot. Now the fourth number system is hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. It has 16 digits. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then A, B, C, D, E, F. Now here we can say that A and B, C, D, E, F has decimal equivalent value as 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, so these are the basic number system which are popular now, and the basic task is to convert number of any base into decimal number system, and because we are frequently using decimal number system, so our task is to convert all those numbers into decimal number system. So how we are going to convert it, and this will be the first task, how we are going to convert any number system, number of any base, to decimal number system. And the second task will be how we are going to convert a decimal number into a binary number, into an octal number, or a hexadecimal number. So conversion of number of any base into decimal number. To convert number of any base into decimal, suppose we have a number of 5 digits. We have A0, A1, A2, A3. To convert this number, we will use the digit, or we can say that the decimal equivalent of the digit, that is D4 into, we will multiply this number to the suppose this number of any base is, suppose the base is X, base is we are considering at suppose it is B. Now we are going to convert D4 into B to the power 4 plus D3 into B to the power 3 plus D2 into B to the power 2 plus D1 into B to the power 1 plus D0 into B to the power 0. In this way, the number of any base can be converted into decimal number system. But here, one thing is to be noted that D4 is the decimal equivalent of D4 is the decimal equivalent of B of A4. Suppose in hexadecimal, A4 is B. So the decimal equivalent of A4, that is D4, would be 11. So we will multiply, we will use here 11. The value of D4 would be 11 here, and we will multiply with the base of that particular system. Suppose we are going to convert a binary number into decimal, then the base would be 2. And if you are going to convert a octal number into decimal, then the value of B would be 8. And if you are going to convert a hexadecimal number into decimal, then the value of B would be 16. So from any base we can convert those numbers into decimal using this particular step, using this particular method. Now we are going to take individual example, and in this particular system we will convert a binary number into decimal. So binary to decimal. Number 1. To convert a binary number, suppose we have a binary number 10101. It is in binary, it has a base 2. So to convert this number into a decimal number, we will follow the same process. We will choose the digit and we will multiply it by its base. Suppose here the digit, we know that the binary, the decimal equivalent of 0 and 1 in binary is 0 and 1. So there is no need to convert these numbers into decimal numbers. We can directly write it. So 101, the conversion would be taken as 10101. We will write is 1 into the base of binary is 2. So 2 to the power, because the number of digits is 5, so 2 to the power 4, 1 less than the number of total number of digits. 1 into 2 to the power 4, or we can consider it, we have from 1 we have 4 digits to the right. So when we are going to multiply, we will write this particular digit and how many digits are to its right. And so here we have 4 digits, so the power of base would be 4. Suppose if we have we are going to process for this digit, this 1. So 1, it has 2 right digits. So 1 into 2. In this particular way we will do, and now 0 is multiplied by 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0. Now the value of 2 to the power 4 is 16, so 1 is to 16 plus 0. So we know that any number multiplied by 0 is 0, so it will be 0, and 2 to the power 2 is 4, so it will be 1 is to 4 plus 0 plus 0. And now the last digit is 1, so we will have a 1, so 1 into 2 to the power 0, that is 1. Okay, now that is the 16 plus 4 plus 1, so we have 21. In this way the binary number, this particular binary number has been converted into 21, and it is the decimal equivalent. So decimal equivalent of 1001 is 21. Now in the next session we will discuss the conversion of hexadecimal into decimal and octal into decimal, and further we will try to convert a decimal number into, how we are going to convert a decimal number into binary, then octal and hexadecimal. We will try to learn that. Thank you so much, and please if you have any problem you can in the comment section. You can discuss it.